Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are going to be saving in our second debt binder. This is all going towards our car payment right now. And so we are going to start off here because last week we didn't get all the way through it. So we're starting off with this challenge by Glory's Budget. These dashboards are available as part of my first tier Ko-fi membership. So if you guys are interested in that, you can go grab those. All right, so we're going to start off with let's do these as like a roll and save. So let's see how many the first one is getting. All right, $2. That is great. We can do that. So $2 going in here. I have $60 here, guys, that I'm working with today. So we'll see how far it can go. All right, next we have Overthinking and Budgeting. This is a March little like roll and save. So we got a 3 for this. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. And that's our first time doing this one, so that's off to a great start. I hope you guys are having a great Wednesday, middle of the week. I hope you guys are looking forward to or hopefully getting some nice spring weather. Okay, so this one is by Restoration by Autumn, and we're gonna give this away as like part of our giveaway for reaching 1,000 subscribers, but I spilled my water on it and now it is bent and warped. So I'm going to use it. So I'm actually kind of excited because it's cute, but it says, before coffee, I'm basically a cautionary tale. Ooh, let me scooch down a little bit actually, because I don't think y'all can see what I'm doing here. So before coffee, I'm basically a cautionary tale, and we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're scratching this one. Okay, cute. It has cute little coffee cups. So this one is $3. So we're saving $3 today with Autumn. Thank you, Autumn, for this cute challenge. I'm so sorry that I spilled water on it, but I'm still going to use it, and I'll buy something else from your shop to give away in my giveaway. All right, next we have some challenges from Norelli's Budgets. Same thing happened here. I spilled water on these guys, and so we're just going to use them, which is fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one says Shine. It's got a cute little kawaii star, and it is saving us $2. All right, 1 and 2. And then this other one is this little cute little cactus one. So I don't know if y'all can tell like that there's water damage, but this one has like a little bit there, and this one has some like all around the edges here. So I didn't want to send these out to y'all as part of my giveaway because, you know, and same thing with this book, which is really disappointing because this was quite a bit of money, and look, you can see like most of the pages. So anyways, let's roll and see which page we're gonna do. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And let's roll and see. Okay, 1. Cute. All right, so $5 with this. Stay positive. All right, so we'll stick $5 in here. I love that it has like these little envelopes. So handy. Okay, so now going back to the beginning, we have this one by Emilie Design. Now this is the scary one. It has scary, scary numbers. Oh, what's it gonna be? 25. So I'm really excited to be done with this one. 10, 15, 20, 25. All right, let's see how much we have here, because I might sub this out for a 50 if I have enough. All right. So we have 2, 4, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83. $83. I think this saves us $300. We already have scratched off a decent amount and put it back in our bank to pay towards debt. So we are coming close to the end here, but I really am excited to be done because it does take up all of our monies, and that means we can't play with as many other challenges, which is sad. But it's okay. It's a good thing. We're saving money. All right, next we have this one by Vicky Thinks. 1, okay. I think we left off kind of around here the other time. Oh no, I think it was Oh, I don't remember. But anyways, we're saving $5 this week with Vicky. So this is in her Ko-fi shop. I think she has an Etsy store as well. I'm not sure which one it's in actually, but I'll link her channel below so you can go to click on her channel, check out her Etsy and her Ko-fi. All right, so we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 with this one by Vicky. Thanks. Thank you, Vicky. All right, and then we have this one by What's Poppin' Sunshine. So this is, I'm a member of her little Ko-fi membership. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $1. Perfect. Our money is flying away. 21 and 2 with What's Poppin' Sunshine. Okay, next we have this sticker challenge by Plan and Paper Designs. Let's see. The lowest we can do is this one, P&S, popcorn and soda. So let's do that one, because we are running low. Oops, y'all. How? Tell me how. Tell me. Maybe that's not it. Is that not it? Pancakes and syrup, guys. I'm done. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Pancakes and syrup. I was like, that's not fitting. No duh. It's the wrong one. Hello. Okay, so $1. And in this challenge, we have 20. And now we have 21. All right, next we have this one by Craft Co Budgets. And we are going to scratch off, let's see, 1, 2, 3. All right, and that is $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this challenge so far, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so we'll stick this back in here. Okay, I'm gonna skip this one because it's mine, and I'd rather do like other people's challenges and show you all those. So this one is by Valentine Design. We're just gonna scratch off this one. Okay, perfect, that's a 1. We can totally do that. So for this one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and it does save us more than that. It saves us 25, but I clear out these binders at the end of every month to put them towards my car payments. All right. Oh, you know what? With this one, with Dawn, we have 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is all the monies we have left. So should we just finish this one? That might be a good thing. Let's just do that. Let's finish this one, and then we can put a different challenge in this one for next week. Okay, so this should have saved us 30. I already took a lot of the money back to the bank, so currently we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, so I'll put this in our finished challenges bag, and we'll swap out a new challenge for this envelope here. All right. This bag is getting full, y'all. I'm excited to see what we have saved at the end of the month. So exciting. All right, then we have this one by April's Fresh Start. Obviously, I don't have any more money, but I'll just go through them. So this one is by April's Fresh Start. We have this one from Vicky Thinks. This one is one of my Easter ones. I need to post this in my Etsy store soon, actually. And then I have this one. Sorry, I can't. I have plans with my cats. This one is in my Etsy store. I have a link down below. You can get 25% off my Etsy store, guys, with the code Doodler. And that is back to the beginning where we started. So thank you all so much for watching this video and hanging out with me. I hope you've enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And stay tuned for a giveaway. I will be purchasing more items to replace the ones that got messed up, and posting about that soon, hopefully. So thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day. If you made it to the end of this video, let's see. Leave a little bunny if you made it to the end of this video. All right, thanks guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.